Years and wine.
Well, how old are you? Okay.
32.
Then I'd be 2 20-year-olds.
Okay, guys, we're ready.
Okay. So this beautiful thing right here is a dazzle.
A what?
A dazzle.
A dazzle?
Yeah, it's D-A-Z-Z-L-E. Dazzle, like sparkling. Okay. So at the end here you have a beautiful USB, which stands for Universal Serial Bus.
Cereal bus? Does that mean
No.
it's just a giant bus full of cereal?
No, it's not the magic school bus. Okay. So you plug it into your laptop, and then you have these fancy little things. All right. So this one is for just like regular video. If you hook it up to your TV or whatever. And then I never use that one though. But these three, like say you have like an Xbox or a Wii or something, and you want to record the video from your game right onto your laptop, you would plug it in here and then into your laptop, and then it opens up Power Director, and then yeah, you just do it like that.
So does that thing come with Power Director?
I think it did because yeah, I didn't have it before, and then it's like you have Power Director. Yeah. You don't necessarily have to use Power Director. Power Director. But it's like the easiest program to use with it, is because it recognizes it, and it's like, oh, I know what this thing is. And then, yeah.
So
Like,
what do people do when they record those?
they usually, like, they're really convenient for when you do like a Let's Play or something. Like, you know, when people do like a walkthrough of a game or something. Yeah, it's just, instead of like having a camera aimed at your screen and having the black line across, it'll prevent that because it records right from your game system onto the computer, onto the program. So yeah, that's why I like it so much. But the only downside to it is, like, say you have a Wii game, but it's not like, if it's not horizontal, if it's like you have to point at it, then you have to have your sensor bar close because you have to see, because when you record it, it's like just a little screen you play on, so people have figured out how to make it full screen, but I haven't yet. My VCR doesn't like me. But yeah, you play on a small screen, and the thing with the Wii remote, because like, I don't know, I think the sensor thing kind of screws with your computer or something, so it's like, no, I don't want to work, and then, but yeah, it makes your Wii act all funky, so, but it works with everything else, or if you're playing horizontally on the Wii remote, then it works. So yeah. Any questions?
What was that? It was like a coffee, like, snarl.
Where can you get one?
I got this at Staples for like $50. I know they sound expensive, but it's really worth it though, like if you do a lot of gameplay and stuff. But yeah, it's just really easy and convenient, so yeah. I'm gonna look at it. And yeah, I use that quite often, especially with
It says DVD Easy Maker. So you could probably record even DVDs.
Yeah, but that's all pirate.
I haven't used it for that, I've only used it for the gaming thing. But...
Oh, so she's got a pirating device.
Oh, is it?
I don't know.
Is it really?
Well, it says DVD Easy Maker. So I'm guessing if you record and play a movie while this is plugged in, you could bring this straight to you. Oh.
And it would be like illegally copied.
Okay, just don't tell the cops.
Turn it into a torrent!
Hey, I bought it legally, it's okay.
If you cut off this and this, though, you could be like, it's not then, it's just a computer mouse.
Or you could be like, it's a dangly spider that lost 4 legs. Or 5, or 3.
3.
But I can't count.
He's lost that his leg's too long.